Hello, this is Puzzles lesson 3.1. In this, I will continue with questions on circular arrangement. Now, what you have to do in this lesson, you have to pause the video, try to solve yourself each and every question, then look at the way I have solved. Now, first question is that 8 persons P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W sit around a circular table facing the center, but not necessarily in that particular order. Now, let me first make the circle with 8 seats. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Make seats equally, distance between the seats must be equal so that you can easily place the people there. Now first S sits second to the right of R. I told you that you can you can choose first person of your choice and you can also choose the seat of that person. S sits second to the right of R. Now my first person would be R. Now question says that S sits second to the right of R. So second to the right of R, S would be at this place. Who is opposite Q? Now who is for R. S sits second to the right of R. Now who is saying about R? Now R is sits opposite to the Q. Next line, V is adjacent to both U and Q. Now how can a person be adjacent to two person? It means that V is sitting in between U and Q. A person is adjacent to two persons only when that person is sitting in between. So V for victory, V is adjacent to both U and Q. It means that V is in between U and Q. So V can't come here because if V will come here, then U should be at this place. So V, this is not the place for V. Now V would be definitely here. V for victory. Now V is adjacent to both Q and U. So this will be the place of U. Next, P is neither adjacent to R nor opposite T. So P can't come here because this will be adjacent to R. P can't come here. So what will the position of left for P? This is the position of P. I am making a circle. Circle means these positions are confirmed. These positions are confirmed. Now what was that? P is neither adjacent to R nor opposite T. Now P is not opposite T. So this place is not for T. So where will T sit? T will come at this place. And what the only person left, that would be W. W will come here. Now what the question says that who sits second to the right of V? Now this is V. This place is V. Second to the right of V. Right side of this would be this. Second to the right of V would be W. So my answer for this question would be W. Question 2 is Sara, Tara, Hira, Dhara, Lara and Meera are sitting around a circular table facing the center, not necessarily in that order. Two persons are sitting between Sara and Meera. Now you can see that all the initial letters are different, so we will not write full name, we will write only the initial letter. With the objective simple that we need to solve the question in least possible time. So I am making a circular table and there will be 6 persons there, so there will be 6 seats. These are the 6 seats I am making. These are the 6 seats. Now what the question says that Sara, there are 2 persons sitting between Sara and Meera. So let's say this is the position of Sara, S. So 2 persons either from the right side or from the left side. If you see that, if you count from the left side or from the right side, 2 persons, so this 2 persons are sitting in between. So this will be the position of Meera. Otherwise we have to make 2 diagrams. But if you can see in this diagram, even from the right side or from the left side, if 2 persons are sitting between Sara and Meera, so this will be the position of Meera. First person I have chosen Sara and I have decided the seat of Sara. Next is Dhara is sitting second to right of Tara. Now this is about Tara. Tara who is adjacent to Sara. Now adjacent to Sara could be this seat, I am making a tick mark, or this seat. These 2 seats are adjacent to Sara. So we will check where Tara can sit. So let's say this is the position of Tara. Is this a possible position of Tara? T. Now let's say Tara who is adjacent to Sara. Now question was Dhara is sitting second to the right of Tara. So Dhara is second to the right of Tara. So this will be the position of Dhara. So this is a valid position. Now check the another position. Is that position valid? I'm making a different ink, different color. Now question was saying Tara was adjacent to Sarah. So can this be a position of Tara? T, can this be a position of Tara? Let's see whether this is correct or not. Tara, who is adjacent to Sarah. Now question was saying Dhara is sitting second to the right of Tara. So second to the right of Tara would be Dhara. So Dhara will come here. So this will not be a valid place. Dhara will come here. So again already M is sitting there. So this will not be correct. So this assumption will not be correct. Earlier one was correct. So we have confirmed these positions. So here M will sit. This will be get cancelled out. Here definitely Dhara will sit. Here Sarah. Here Tara. Now next the question is saying Lara is sitting opposite Dhara. So Lara is opposite Dhara. This is position of Lara. Sitting opposite Dhara. This is position of Lara L. Now only one person is left. That is Sarah, Tara, Hira. So this will be H. So H will come here. Now what the question is saying, who is sitting second to the right of Hira? This is the position of Hira, second to the right of Hira. This is the right side, second to the right of Hira is Lara. So Lara will be our answer. Question 3. 8 persons P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W sit around a circular table facing center, not necessarily in that order. The following information is given. Now question can be like this, where 5, 6 notifications are given to you and you have to make the diagram. Now first statement says that Q is adjacent to neither T or V. So should I fill that information in the diagram? No, because I'm only able to place only one person. If I will place Q, I will not able to place T or V. Now Q is adjacent to neither T or V. So I will write like this, Q and T are not together. Q and V are also not together. This is the way of writing. These are called as symbolic notation, because you don't have to read the statement again and again. So in order to avoid reading the statement again and again, I will always make wherever necessary the symbolic notation. It means that Q and T are not together, Q and V are not together, as the statement is saying. 3 persons sit between P and V. Can I place them together or confirm their position? If I will take, let's say, P here, I will take P here. Now 3 persons either from the right side or from the left side, if 3 persons are sitting in between, so there will be only one place for V. That is this will be the place for V, victory. Now I will choose this statement, because by this statement I am able to place 2 persons on the table, circular table. So that is better. So I can solve the question in a bit faster way. Now third is saying S is adjacent to neither P or R. It means that S will not come at this place. S is adjacent to neither P nor R. So S will not come at this place, and I am making cancel. S will not come at this place. I will also write like this. S is adjacent to neither P or R. S and P are not together. S and R are also not together. This is symbolic notation. These are very important, because that will help you to avoid reading statement again and again. Now fourth statement, U is to the immediate right of W. Now I don't know where the U is there. I don't know where the W is there. So I will make a symbolic notation. U is to the immediate right of W. So I will make these 2 seats. R sits to the immediate left of P. Left or immediate left is same in the circle. So this will be the position of R. So I am making it with a different color. This will be the position of R. Again, look at the symbolic notation. S is neither adjacent to P nor adjacent to R. So S will not be at this place also. S will not be at this place also. Last line, Q is not adjacent to S. So I will write like this. I don't know where Q is, where S is. So Q is also not adjacent to S. Q and S are also not together. Now with the given information, I am not able to fill the exact positions of the remaining persons. So what I will do, whenever you got stuck, please make the all possible diagrams. So these 2 are very, very important things in circular or linear arrangement questions. First, you have to make the symbolic notation like this. Second, wherever you got stuck, please don't waste your time. Try to make all possible diagrams. So I will make 2 more diagrams, because I know that W and U are together. Now first let me make the diagram similar to the first one. This was P, this was R, this is V for victory. Again this is P, this is R, and this is V for victory. Now W and U are together. So in the first diagram making this W, this is U. U is to the immediate right of W. This is one possibility. Second, W can come here also. So W here would be U. And third possibility is this. This is W and this is U. This is U for union. So these are only three possibilities that exist. Now, so we have done this. So we will cross this. We have filled this data. Now we will fill the remaining data. Now as we have made the possible diagram, so we will place the remaining people. Now if you look at the first diagram, Q and V are not together. So Q will not come at this place. Q will also not come at this place. Only one place is left for Q. So this is the position of Q. Make circle so that this is confirmed that the Q is sitting at this place. Now Q and S are also not together. So S will not come here. So S will come definitely here at this place. This is the position of S, and the remaining person will sit at this place. So first diagram we have filled. So this will be the position of T. Now is this a correct diagram? No, because you can see that Q and T are not together. So first diagram is wrong. This is not a valid diagram. So first diagram is wrong. This is wrong diagram. Look at the second diagram. In second diagram only one place is left for S. So this will be the position of S. Now S and Q are not together. So this will be the position of Q. S. This will be the position of Q, and T will be at this place. We can easily fill that diagram. T will be at this position. Now is there any violation? There is no violation. Q, look at, check each and everything. Q and T are not together. Just Q and T are not together. We have checked that. Q and T are not together. Q and V are not together. Yes. S and P are not together. This is also correct. S and R are also not together. This is also correct. W and Q and S are not together. This is correct. So second diagram is absolutely correct. Let's move on to the third one. Now third diagram is also not valid. So because there are three positions left, wherever the Q will shift, S or T will come adjacent to this. Let's suppose that this is the position of Q. So only two persons are remaining, S or T. They will come at these two positions. So this could be S or T. This could be S. S can't come here. So this could be S or T. Now as per the question, Q should not be adjacent to S and T. So this can't be position of Q. Same way, if Q comes here at this place, again S or T will come on the left or right of the Q. This is not a valid position. Again Q can't come at this place because again S or T will be adjacent to Q. So this is also not a valid diagram. So only second diagram is a valid diagram. Now once you have made the diagram, the questions you can solve in seconds. 10 seconds per question you can solve, because the question would be asking who is sitting opposite W. So our answer would be T. Who is sitting second to the right of P? Again our answer would be W. So questions won't be difficult. The only thing was that you must be able to solve the set in least possible time. Now what is the learning for this class? First of all, we have to make the symbolic notation. So that we don't have to read the statement again and again. Symbolic notations, wherever so many statements are given, symbolic notation is very, very important. Second, wherever you got stuck, make all possible diagram. Make all possible diagram, APD. Then you will be able to solve the questions in least possible time. Thank you.